guys, Aris. The NVIDIA RTX 5090 FE, the NDA was lifted yesterday. Many new reviews. Unfortunately, there is no review for me since NVIDIA didn't find me worthy of getting an FE card for testing. But anyway, no hard feelings there. Many of you are wondering which PSU is suitable for the new RTX 5090. NVIDIA states that power supply, a 1000 watt power supply is okay. The problem here is that NVIDIA doesn't realize or doesn't talk to Intel to check that Intel says that 1000 watt PSU should come with a connector, with a 12 volt 2x6 connector set at 450 watt maximum. While the 5090, its official TDP is 575 watt. This means that you need a PSU that has 600 watt set connectors. Okay, most manufacturers don't pay attention, lots of attention at least, to Intel, and they release, I have seen even 650 watt PSU maximum power with a 12 volt 2x6 connector set at 600 watt, which it's insane. But officially Intel says that from 1100 watt and above, you should set the 12 volt 2x6 at 600 watt. At lower capacity PSUs, you should be at 450, 300 or even 150 watt for lower capacity PSUs. Now, because you ask me a lot about that, guys, it doesn't depend on the GPU only, what power supply to get. It also has to do with the CPU. And let me explain. If you have a CPU that consumes maximum 200 watt or 250, yes, you can be okay with an RTX 5090 and an 1000 power supply, at least if it has 600 watt set connector, as I said before. But if you have an Intel 14900K, which can go up to 450 watt power consumption sustained in an extreme profile, and you put that together with the 600 watt that the RTX 5090 needs, then 1000 watt PSU is not enough. You need at least 1200 watt PSU. So, to make this easier to understand, if you have a high-end CPU, either from AMD or Intel, and you are going after an RTX 5090, you need at least a 1200 watt PSU to be sure that everything will be okay, not to overload the PSU, and also keep in mind that you should not operate the PSU at close to its full power. Almost all PSUs have the peak efficiency at 40 to 50% of their maximum power. That's it. So if you can get an even stronger PSU, that's better for the efficiency. You will keep the PSU happy, operating it at 40 to 50% even at full load if you use a 1600 watt PSU. It all depends on your system, and you should take into great consideration the CPU also besides the GPU. That's it. We have best RTX version 3 and 3.1 PSUs list on hwbusters.com. On Cybernetics also you can find a full PSU performance database if you want to take a look. And subscribe please, and leave a comment, like, etc. Bye bye.